Another day beguiles, sisters, and with it, our endless duty to build and protect. My daughters, remember, we are small, but together we are mighty.
Yes, my queen.
Queen, a vast army approaches, larger than anything we've seen. Crush the ants! Leave nothing alive!
Daughters of the soil, today we fight not for ourselves, but for every life inside this hill.
For the colony! Hold the line! For the Queen!
Quickly, block the north tunnel.
The stones are ready. Push together.
Now, release the rocks! It's working! Keep pressing! We cannot hold them! No. Stand your ground. Do not falter.
Listen, numbers do not decide wars. Strategy does. We strike smart, not just strong.
Ants, you are nothing before us.
We are everything when we stand together.